Hello my friends, welcome back. Today it's Monica AI versus Cider AI, two Chrome extension powerhouses battling it out as your all-in-one AI sidekick in 2025. So Monica AI from monica.im is your ChatGPT powered buddy. Think chatting, copywriting and summarizing web content or videos all from any site. Cider AI at cider.ai flexes 0.1 preview, ChatGPT 4.0 and Claude 3.5 and more. It's a sidebar beast for writing, reading and even roasting selfies. Both are premium, browser-based and aim to turbocharge your workflow, but they've got different strengths. So, Monica killer moves, one-click article generation and YouTube summaries. With outlines, I got a video breakdown in seconds. It's got OCR for PDFs too, Cider fights back with group AI chats, multiple models answering at once, plus real-time web access and image generation. Monica's simpler, Cider's broader. I wrote a blog with Cider's tone tweaks, faster than Monica's templates. Right, talking about the pricing, Monica has a free tier. It's solid, 30 queries a day, but Pro's $8 a month. Cider's free plan is beefier, 50 plus chats, and premium is $10 a month. Usability, Monica's cleaner for beginners. Cider's sidebar can feel cluttered but packs more punch. Both install in a snap, though Cider's floating panel aged out for multitasking on my tabs. So guys, who wins? Monica's your pick for straightforward writing and summaries, perfect for casual users and students. Cider takes it for power users, coders, creators with its multi-AI muscle and extras. Test both free and vibe check your needs. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.